What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now, I'm hoping some boys will be used this year for 2025. You can see, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. You can see it's only got one board now. You can see, because you see how much expected this thing exactly, because when you gauge the file, you can see you push this button on here and then locks it into place. You can see, but it's definitely, you see it's on the outside too. It's not, well, it says something you can see, but it's definitely how much you expected this thing. Now you slide the battery in, you can see it because, well, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. So I do hope some more this thing will get used this weekend, next weekend. I'm hoping this thing will get used because we use, well, some glass. I know since the fact that you can see, but I don't have to charge the battery every single time a little bit because it's not that bad. You can see, but this is a CMCB L0100, and I do like this thing a lot because you can see it's a pretty nice looking machine, my opinion. But you should get this one. You see, now I got this last year in 2024. You see, because you can see, I mean, and you can see the battery. You can see this is a 2024 model. So that came out just since last year. Since last year, you can see, but it's there. You can see, but the battery right here, you can see it's this is a CMCB 204. You can see, because you can see how much of it expected this thing could take, but it's really how much of it expected this thing exactly as you can see, because it's kind of hard to try to put the battery in. You can see, but it's you can see, but definitely how much of it expected this thing exactly. So I do hope some boys this thing will get used this year for 2025 movie season. I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 because you can see this is not a bad looking machine, my opinion. You can see exactly how much we expected this thing exactly because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. So I do hope some boys are saying that this thing will get used this year for 2025 movie season. And I promise you this thing will get used this year because you can see it's not really as expected this machine here exactly because you can see how much expected this machine here exactly because well, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly because you can see, and this thing will get used this year for 2025. I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025. You can see because well, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly because you can see it's actually look pretty cool in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing will get used this year for 2025. You can see because well, because you know how much expected this thing will get used this year because you can see well, I mean, when you expected this blower here exactly, it's definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, but as you can see it's definitely how much we expected in this machine here exactly because it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So this thing will get used this year for 2025 Moe season. I promise you this thing will get used this year.